You hear the ticking. It sounds really weak. Pretty flame there. Intermittent. I got a very yellow flame in there. A couple things I noticed, guys. Now, I don't expect Dakota, I don't expect you to pick up on this, but you see how it's woof, 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 woof. What do you think is causing that?
There is probably something in the gas
I'll
pipe.
call it a J tube, yeah, the gas line. So it could be low LP pressure, a restricted orifice, or some restriction on our J tube. So we're gonna look at all those things. You guys may not be able to see this from the camera, but this bracket here that these electrodes are on, it's kind of bent in and down, okay? So it could be that our electrodes are not in the sweet spot of the flame. I can look in there inside this, guys, and I see my electrodes are glowing. So I just kind of bent, it wants to be square to this opening into the flame. So those electrodes are glowing. The other thing I'm looking at is those electrodes do not appear to be having an 1/8 of an inch gap. See our glowing electrode? I'm going to bring the camera in. I want you guys to see. Let me do that. Let me bring the camera over here. Hold on. I want you guys to see in here because the gap may not be set right.
Tired of wasting time guessing which part you need on the job? With MyRVWorks tech cards in hand, there is less guessing, less Googling, and more getting it done.
Okay, so I've got the camera free form here. Now, let's go with those glowing electrodes. Let's start with the one on the left. It's got the hook on it. Then the one that goes straight, that's our ground. And then the other one on the right, that's just a straight. And you can see how the flame is sputtering. The one I'm concerned about is the one with the hook. He should be pointing at that one in the center, which is a ground pin. And you see how he's angled a little bit lower down. So the flame rectification, so he's striking an arc, but also I need about an 1/8 of an inch gap between these things. The gap is a function of the diameter of those electrodes. So we want an 1/8 of an inch gap between that. So you see how they're glowing and then the startup kind of stutters and they stop glowing as much. So we're going to be cleaning up the gap. We're going to be taking this bracket off and getting in there and making sure that our gap is correct. And that might be part of our problem too.
The MyRVWorks Atwood tank water heater tech cards give you instant, pocket-ready answers. Boards, thermostats, gas valves, burners, all organized by model right in your tool bag. Double-sided with QR codes for each part, plus service manuals and repair videos. Scan the code on the screen or check the link in the video description to order yours today.